lighting, cameras, backdrops.
These are a lot of the things that people think they need to do video marketing or to make it big on YouTube or any other platform where they're promoting their business with video. And it's just simply not true. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do your online video marketing on a budget. Daisy, what do you think that we need? You're such a good girl. You're the biggest poser I know. Hey there, I'm Tracy Rose. Welcome to my channel where I talk about building your dream business from home. We talk about topics such as motherhood, marketing, and mindset because that all encompasses everything to build that business that works around a family. And if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So let's look at some of the things that I actually have, but I want to compare it to some of the things that you could start out with, because here's one of the biggest things that I've learned is you need to start where you are, okay? Because the video marketing formula, I guess, is really not so much about the equipment, but it kind of is, but it kind of isn't. But the bigger thing that is way more important than whether you have the right lighting, camera, backdrop, sound, whatever, is whether you are engaging, provide cool stuff for your audience that they like, and that you are consistent in producing your content. I know this from experience. I've had another channel where I had a baby business, and when I was consistent, and you should see their videos, like, they're shocking. Maybe I'll play some. Do you want to see it? You want to see some of the videos? It's pretty embarrassing. I'm laughing just thinking about them. But the thing is, I actually got heaps of clients and leads and sales and customers from these videos because I was answering those desperate questions for those moms in that niche. And I had people who I taught all over the world via Skype. I had people flying into Sydney, Australia to come and learn and do private classes with me just because of these videos. And like, seriously, look at them. That's pretty bad, right? I clearly did not have a great camera. Pretty sure that was just from the camera that was built into my dodgiest laptop at the time. And it probably took about 50 takes just to do those videos. So I am recording this on a proper camera right now. But pretty much my whole video marketing career has been on my phone. YouTube's a little bit different. A lot of people want crisper, better quality looking and sounding videos. But if you are just posting on Instagram or Facebook or wherever, pretty much you have a camera. It's your phone. So a fancy camera is going to set you back anywhere between, $500 to a couple of $1,000s, whereas you probably already own a smartphone that has a decent camera. Just use it. Now there's ways to make your camera phone look a lot better. I'm going to give you some tips about that, especially let's start with lighting. So let's just say I'm recording right here in front of my backdrop, and I'll get to budget backdrops in a second, and even no backdrops, I'll share with you where you can do videos instead. But let's just say I'm here. Now with a ring light, here is the more expensive version, or if you've got some box lights or something like that, those lights can set you back anywhere between $60 to $70 maybe for the cheaper box lights, the soft boxes. Or you could go up to say $350, which is this ring light that I have right now, which has all the bells and whistles. So let me switch that on. Okay, and so it's just a much brighter light. But here's the thing, I want to show you what it looks like on your phone if you have the right lighting just from, guess what? The sun. You just need to face the right way. I know plenty of video marketers that have started with no lighting at all, and all they've done is faced a window. You can just hand hold your phone or a selfie stick, but I'm going to show you something that I've got here just from my car. This is one of those suction thingies that you click to the window. I'm going to put my phone onto this and show you what it looks like if I have the light towards me. Now, depending on the time of day, I have this suction to the window now, and so the light is directed straight at my face. Preferably, I would do this in the morning, but I recorded this in the afternoon sunlight, and I still feel like that this is good enough light so that people can see my face. And as long as I'm delivering cool content that is interesting and valuable to you, are you really going to care that I don't have a ring light, a softbox light, or anything like that? Probably not. unless I was doing maybe makeup videos or some sort of tutorial which really needed me to show you real great detail. But most of the time on my channel, I'm talking about being a mom, building a home business, working around kids, getting your mindset right so you don't go bonkers. I've pretty much done this my whole time on social media, and I've only just switched to a fancier camera for YouTube videos. But again, I started where I was. I started with what I had, and that's what you need to do. Let's talk about backdrops again. I love this. I got this backdrop made by a friend of mine, Emma from Bespoke Backdrops. She makes gorgeous backdrops. She has some pre-designed ones, and you can get full custom design. Pre-design is going to cost you from about $350 to a custom one, which is over $1,000. So if you are on a budget, here's what I suggest instead. You get more of a plain design. This is just a plain white brick wall kind of style. This is actually a backdrop. It's fabric. The reason that I have this as a backdrop is because I was trying to hide a lot of the mess in my house when I'm trying to record videos around kids. But if you don't have that, maybe you've got a wallpapered wall. Maybe you've just got a plain white wall. That's totally fine. I'm going to give you some other ideas. You could have a shelf with a nice bunch of flowers. Often I would go and buy beautiful market day flowers, which were just a cheap little bunch that I would put in a vase behind me in the video. Or I actually painted some walls in my old kitchen at my old place. One was a blackboard wall, so I sometimes wrote on that wall part of what I was demoing and explaining in the video. You could even have a whiteboard that you use to demonstrate things in your video. Or I painted a bright green wall on one of my walls in the kitchen for a while. And this was specifically to make it look brighter. It looked really cool in videos, and I had a really light room in the kitchen. And that worked really well too, because it just made the videos pop. And there we go, the simple cream wall. This is just a wall in my house. This did not cost anything, okay? And lastly, let's talk about marketing. A lot of people think that they need to have a huge marketing budget to do video marketing, and that's just not the case. If you know where your target market is hanging out, yeah, sure, you can do YouTube ads, you can do Facebook ads, you can do all that sort of stuff. But I recommend knowing where your target market hangs out on Facebook, posting videos in there. Those videos need to be uploaded straight to Facebook though. So it's best that you upload live to the platform that you're using. So don't go and put YouTube videos over on Facebook or anything like that, because it just doesn't work as well. Facebook is more my short-term strategy. I have to continue to work to get results from that. Whereas YouTube, yes, I have to put out content consistently, but that content works for such a long time because YouTube is a search engine. So if you know where to put your videos, if you know what to call your videos, what keywords to put so you can rank those videos for certain search terms, then YouTube marketing can essentially be free. So there you have it. Online video marketing can be super effective even if you are on a budget. Don't let that hold you back. Videos has been by far the most profitable way for me to make affiliate sales, to sign up people into my network marketing business, and to gain coaching clients and group coaching clients, because it's so highly leveraged. I'm not going to go into why you should use videos, but I guess this video was just to show you, please don't let budget hold you back in your video marketing journey. If you do, and you get 3 months, 6 months, a year down the track, you're gonna wish that you started now with what you have. So I hope today's video has been helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Share it if you know there's someone that this video could help. I would super appreciate it. And if you have any other budget ideas about how to do video marketing on a budget, let me know in the comments below. If you've not started video marketing yet, tell me that you're gonna start today or this week. Let me know that you're going to do it. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you soon.